All right, it's a very cold day here in Middle Tennessee. It is currently 19 degrees. We just had the great ice storm of January 2026. Liam and I have been stuck in the house for about a week. There's been no school. I've been home from work for the week. We're stir crazy. So we're gonna go do some cold weather shooting. What are we taking, Liam?
We're taking the Glock 17 and the GP100.
The Ruger GP100, that's right. 19 degrees, gonna be fun. We might not be out there very long. Where are we going?
Strategic Edge.
Strategic Edge, Chapel Hill, Tennessee. It's cold. It is cold. All right, we shot, I don't know, 5 or 6 cylinders of 357 and what about maybe 4 magazines of 9mm through the Glock 17, and we are froze. It is almost too cold to load magazines. My face is so cold that I feel sick, and we're walking on solid ice. I almost slipped with a loaded gun a few times in my hand, kind of really just standing there. So hey, we came out here, we shot, we endured the cold, and now we're gonna go home.